Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced Keyword Transformations, exercise number CAE051. Let's start with number 1. The original sentence is, many delegates stole pens from the conference room. The keyword is were, and the second sentence is, a lot of blank the conference room by delegates. The correct answer is, a lot of pens were stolen from the conference room by delegates. This sentence uses passive voice to emphasize the action of stealing rather than who performed it. Pens were stolen from highlights the pens as the subject and shifts the focus away from the delegates. For example, books were taken from the library by students. Moving on to number 2. The original sentence is, immediately after Bess arrived home, the phone rang. The keyword is sooner. And the second sentence is, no blank home than the phone rang. The correct answer is, no sooner had Bess arrived home than the phone rang. The phrase no sooner had is used to emphasize that one event happened immediately after another. Sooner had Bess arrived indicates that the phone rang right after Bess got home. Another example, no sooner had I sat down than the doorbell rang. Next up, number 3. The original sentence is, if his expensive divorce hadn't happened, Bill would still be a rich man. The keyword is for, and the second sentence is, if it blank divorce, Bill would still be a rich man. The correct answer is, if it hadn't been for his expensive divorce, Bill would still be a rich man. The phrase hadn't been for is used to express a condition that prevented something from happening. Hadn't been for his expensive indicates that the divorce was the reason Bill is no longer rich. Another example, if it hadn't been for the storm, we would have arrived on time. Moving on to number 4. The original sentence is, you won't get lost along the country lanes if you always have the map open. The keyword is long, and the second sentence is, he told them they wouldn't get lost, blank, had the map open. The correct answer is, he told them they wouldn't get lost as long as they had the map open. The phrase as long as is used to indicate a condition under which something will happen. As long as they shows that having the map open is the condition for not getting lost. Another example, as long as you study hard, you will pass the exam. Let's move on to number 5. The original sentence is, my brother has great ideas all the time. The keyword is comes, and the second sentence is, my brother always blank ideas. The correct answer is, my brother always comes up with great ideas. The phrase comes up with means to produce or create something, usually an idea or plan. Comes up with great emphasizes that the brother frequently generates excellent ideas. Another example, she always comes up with creative solutions. Next, number 6. The original sentence is, if that passing woman hadn't arrived, we would have been completely lost. The keyword is for, and the second sentence is, had it blank, we would have got completely lost. The correct answer is, had it not been for that passing woman, we would have got completely lost. The phrase had it not been for is used to express that something prevented a negative outcome. Not been for that passing woman indicates that her arrival was crucial in preventing them from getting lost. Another example, had it not been for his quick thinking, we would have missed the train. Moving on to number 7. The original sentence is, if I lose this job, nobody will let me forget it. The key word is live. And the second sentence is, I'll blank if I lose this job. The correct answer is, I'll never live it down if I lose this job. The phrase never live it down means to be unable to stop feeling embarrassed about something. Never live it down emphasizes the lasting impact of losing the job on the speaker's reputation. Another example, if I trip on stage, I'll never live it down. Finally, question number 8. The original sentence is, they'll have to cancel the show if the audience doesn't increase. The keyword is mean. And the second sentence is, a continued low audience for the show, blank, cancellation. The correct answer is, a continued low audience for the show will mean its cancellation. The phrase will mean indicates that one thing will lead naturally to another. Will mean its shows that a low audience will result in the show being cancelled. Another example, a lack of funding will mean the end of the project. That's all for today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.